Metatrader 4 tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can invest as a complete beginner on Metatrader 4. Firstly, come on to metatrader4.com, and then from over here you can basically see their dashboard and all the different operating systems that they are supported on. So if you're on Windows, you can use it, Mac, Linux, iPhone, Android, Huawei phones as well. Like, it is available for all those software. So like, simply download it by simply clicking on the download button from the top right, and then after that simply download this onto your supported device. And once you have it onto your computer, I'm gonna catch you guys in just a second. So when you open up MetaTrader on your computer, you will see this dashboard in front of you. Now before we move any further, I'm gonna basically tell you what we are gonna be doing over here. I'm gonna tell you basically how you can place your order, how you can put buy limits, sell limits, how you can create a new account, hide things, see hourly charts, weekly charts, candle views, lines, everything that you need to know to get started. Now, if any of you guys have used any crypto exchanges previously in your life, this might look very familiar to you guys. But for all you people who have never traded before in your life, this is gonna look like a different world. But guys, don't be scared, because this is super simple. Now, in front of you, you can see these 4 graphs. Now, I can have as many graphs as I want to have. These graphs are basically paired graphs. So this graph is basically a GBP USD pair graph. This is a Euro USD pair graph. This is a USD CHF graph, and this is basically a USD JPY graph. Like, what this basically means is that these are graphs for different currencies being sold in different pairs. So like, basically that is the thing. On the left side, you can basically view a short summary of all these different pairs. So on the left side, you can basically see the data window. Whatever you do during the whole day, you will see that over here. And then below that, you can basically see all the open pairs right now and all the bids that are going on and all the ask prices. The bids are basically how much people are willing to pay for a particular pair, and then the asking price is basically for how much people are willing to sell a particular pair. So we have currencies of almost all sorts, because MetaTrader is solely focused on forex trading. So you can literally make yourself quite a lot of money if you know the know-hows of forex trading. Now, from over here, you can basically also see the different forms of graphs that you can use. And then if I were to click on these pairs, if I were to right click on these pairs, well, then I can basically hide them as well. I can simply hide all of them, or I can simply show all of them. So once I click on show, I can basically see all the different pairs. And then if I were to click on hide, well, all of these will be hidden. Now I'm going to click on hide all, and I'm also going to click on hide all over here. So that is basically going to hide all of them. Now if I were to right click and click on symbols, well, then I can basically add specific pairs as well. Like, for example, if I want to see just a USD pair, I can simply add it from over here. If I just want to see the crypto pairs, well, I can simply add those from over here as well. Like, we basically have Bitcoin pairs over here. So I'm going to simply choose a BTC Euro, and I'm going to click on OK. So now I will see the price of Bitcoin in euros. So right now Bitcoin is 40,000 euros, and the price of Bitcoin is only going high. If I were to double click on it, I will basically see this particular page in front of me, and I can simply put buy orders from over here, or I can simply sell it, or do anything like that. So over here we can basically see the name, and now I can basically see how much Bitcoin do I want to buy. I'm going to click on 1 Bitcoin, and then I will basically see how much money do I have to pay for 1 Bitcoin. So I can pay this Bitcoin, and then also I can put a stop loss. Stop loss is basically there to prevent you guys from losing money. So let's say you put 40,000 euros on Bitcoin, and the price of Bitcoin falls $10,000. Well, you just lost your $10,000. Basically you put in 40k, but now you have 30k. Well, to prevent this, you can put a stop loss at 39k, which basically means that if the price of Bitcoin goes below 39,000, your Bitcoin is going to be sold at 39,000, and you will only lose $1,000, not $10,000 if the price continues to goes down further. So that is basically how stop loss works, and that is why it is very common in the world of crypto or in the world of trading. So now you guys must understand how this all works. So for now, I'm gonna I can either buy or I can either sell. So I'm gonna click on buy for now, and then they are saying that the market has been closed. Basically guys, the market has timings, so you basically have to know when the market is opening or when the market is going down. If you don't know the timings, well, then you will lose a lot of money, because these are the basic essentials. So now from over here, you can basically choose all the different symbols, the details, the trading as well. So definitely you have a lot of options, and if you were to use these options properly, well, then you can actually make quite a lot of money. So over here, if I were to take a look at the graphs, now some people prefer candle style graphs, like basically these candlesticks, and some people prefer line graphs. So to change this, you can simply take a look at the top, and you can simply click on line from over here. Now you can basically see a line graph in front of you. Then you can even have this particular style of graph as well if you are interested in that. Well guys, below this you basically have your indicators. So indicators are basically tools that make your trading a lot more easier. Some people can actually design custom indicators as well, which they use. So all in all, it is very helpful. Now if I were to turn my mouse wheel over here, I can basically see a history, the ups and downs that this particular currency has had, and then I can basically predict what is going to happen in the near future. It is not 100% accurate, but mostly it turns out to be accurate. Now once you know all of this, and if you want to buy quickly, you can simply put in your buy price, and you can simply buy it ASAP. So once you buy it, well, after that you need to do some analysis as well. Now for that, you can simply use these tools up top, and you can just basically have your diagrams and stuff like that. So if I were to click on draw horizontal line, I can simply have this line over here. If I were to click on this particular button, I can simply do this, and then I can basically click anywhere else, and then I will have my line like this. So these tools are very important when you are doing crypto analysis. And then similarly, I can have just one straight vertical line anywhere. So for example, if I want to put it over here, I will have the line over here. So all in all, it is a very nice. Then you even have some more options, basically to add information and stuff like that. So now you can basically see all the different things that are coming in and all the different orders that are going out. This is very helpful, because once you know how to use these lines, you can basically predict your orders. You can do a whole lot of different things. So from the top, if you were to place a new order, what you can do is you can simply click on new order from the top, and then simply place a new order over here. Now once you place that new order, your order is going to be either sell or buy, and once that happens, well, you, my friends, will be able to buy yourself specific currencies or crypto or whatever you are interested in. Now guys, if you want to create a demo account, what you can do is you can simply click on file, and then after that you can simply click on open an account, then click on next, and then you can simply click on open a demo account, click on next again, and then simply put in some information, and your demo account is going to be created, and you can practice trading on there. So guys, that is basically how it all works, and that is basically how you can actually make yourself quite a lot of money using this particular trading tool. Now guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of more features to this particular software, but I'm not going to be mentioning all of them. So let's say you wanted to zoom in, you can simply use these magnification glasses up top, and you can simply click on them, and it is going to zoom in as much as you want or zoom out as much as you want. So that is very nice as well, and that really makes it very easy. So guys, this was the tutorial, and if this tutorial helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.